The world of motorcycles is about to get a whole lot more exciting with the launch of the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 457, a bike that promises to be a game-changer for young riders and naked bike enthusiasts. Aprilia, a brand synonymous with high-performance motorcycles, has introduced a bike that blends agility, power, and stylish design in one package, positioning itself as the new king of fun naked bikes. If you're looking for a bike that offers a thrilling riding experience without the complexity of high-end superbikes, the Tuono 457 could be the one for you. The Tuono 457 is designed for riders who want a combination of raw power, nimble handling, and affordable pricing, while still retaining the essence of what makes naked bikes so fun. Aprilia has perfectly captured the spirit of fun and freedom with this new model, ensuring that it caters to the needs of the younger, modern rider who craves both performance and style. One of the standout features of the 2025 Tuono 457 is its target audience, young riders looking to experience the thrill of naked bikes without committing to larger, more complex machines. With a smaller engine displacement than some of its larger siblings, the Tuono 457 strikes a perfect balance between power and manageability. Its 457 cubic centimeters engine delivers an impressive amount of torque and acceleration, making it ideal for riders who want to enjoy the rush of speed, but in a more approachable package. Despite its relatively modest engine size, the Tuono 457 doesn't skimp on performance. Thanks to its high-revving engine, lightweight frame, and advanced suspension system, it feels incredibly responsive in tight corners, offering exceptional handling. Whether you're carving up city streets or cruising down twisty country roads, this bike gives you the agility and control that makes every ride a thrill. In terms of design, the 2025 Tuono 457 is a masterpiece. Aprilia has kept the styling aggressive and modern, with sharp lines and a muscular stance that stands out from the crowd. The full LED lighting system adds a futuristic touch, while the bike's slim profile ensures it feels as agile as it looks. The minimalist design also contributes to the bike's lightweight nature, further enhancing its performance on the road. For young riders who are looking for a bike that makes a statement, the Tuono 457 doesn't disappoint. Its sporty aesthetic is paired with a comfortable and ergonomic riding position, making it equally enjoyable for daily commutes as it is for longer weekend rides. The bike's bare-bones aesthetic allows it to show off its performance-focused engineering, with no unnecessary frills to take away from the pure joy of riding. At the heart of the 2025 Tuono 457 is its 457 cubic centimeters engine, a liquid-cooled, four-stroke powerplant that is designed to offer smooth power delivery with an emphasis on torque and high-revving performance. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, offering excellent gear ratios for both city riding and longer, high-speed stretches. This setup allows the Tuono 457 to feel powerful, yet still manageable for riders who are just getting into the world of performance motorcycles. The bike's suspension is designed for both comfort and performance, making it capable of handling a variety of road conditions with ease. The front fork and rear monoshock suspension ensure that the Tuono 457 remains stable during aggressive cornering while also providing a smooth ride over uneven surfaces. Whether you're hitting the track or just enjoying a spirited ride through the city, this bike excels at providing precise control and a comfortable experience. In terms of braking, the Tuono 457 is equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear, offering excellent stopping power even when pushing the bike to its limits. The bike's ABS system ensures that riders have extra confidence when braking hard, especially in tricky conditions. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono 457 stands out not only for its performance and design but also for its affordability. As a bike designed for younger riders, it strikes the perfect balance between cost and capability, offering a performance-packed ride without breaking the bank. Aprilia has managed to keep the price within a reasonable range, making the Tuono 457 an attractive option for anyone looking to jump into the world of naked bikes without spending a fortune. The bike's manageable size and lightweight frame also make it ideal for new riders who want to gain confidence on a motorcycle before stepping up to more powerful machines. In conclusion, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 457 is a true contender in the world of naked bikes, and it's clearly designed with young riders in mind. Its combination of affordable pricing, agile handling, exciting performance, and bold design make it a standout in its class. For anyone looking for a motorcycle that is not only fun to ride but also offers an excellent entry point into the world of performance motorcycles, the Tuono 457 might just be the ultimate option. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider looking for something new, the 2025 Tuono 457 delivers an exhilarating experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. It's the king of fun for a reason.